Good afternoon. My name is Filippo Minozzi. I'm a program officer at the World Food Program in Sudan. So let me start from the country I'm working in. Sudan remains in a very complex humanitarian situation. Nevertheless, the World Food Program is shifting whenever and wherever possible and feasible towards more resilience and development related projects. One of these projects is called Connecting Farmers to Market. Actually, this project connects farmers to 4 different markets: the insurance market, the credit market, the market for extension services, and finally the market for sale. Through what? Through 4 services, a package made of 4 services. The first one is a microinsurance, a weather index microinsurance. The second one is a loan, part of which is used to pay the fees of the insurance. Then there is a training, financial and technical training. And finally, food, conditional to the attendance to the training. So let me step back on the resilience. We have been listening for the last 3 days to many people talking about natural disasters, conflicts, crisis, and many other external factors. These external factors affect our clients, our beneficiaries, and they also affect the way we measure the impact of our program. So in order to disentangle these external exogenous factors from the effect of our program, we designed a randomized evaluation, an experimental exercise. And speaking about the study design, we have divided our population into 4 groups. The first one receiving the full package, so the 4 components, the 4 services. A second one receiving only the loan and the insurance. The third one receiving the training and food. And the last one, the so-called reflexive control group, is not receiving anything. But please note that using a phase-in approach, we are not keeping this control group out of the intervention. We are just stagger our intervention and provide them with the intervention that will be found to be the combination that will be found to be the most effective in the next season. We have target last year in Kassala, which is one of the states in which WFP Sudan works and where we are piloting this exercise. We reached 5,000 farmers last year. Ethically speaking, we are not randomizing within this number of farmers. We are actually scaling up our intervention, and therefore we will still provide 5,000 farmers with a full package of services. But we will add more farmers that will receive a different combination of services. So in terms of indicators, we are using both some classic WFP indicators, like the food consumption score, the daily dietary diversity score, some asset-related indicators, but also a couple of resilience indicators that we reframed recently. These are the coping strategy indexes, one for food security and one for livelihoods. So finally, and I will be very happy to be with you next year at the next Resilience Conference to share the results of this study. I'm very confident that this study will allow us to understand what works and what doesn't, and which is the magnitude of the effect of farmers to market and the magnitude of the effect of each of its components, and finally allow us to design a better program and scale it up. Thank you.